Alright, here's the Beamer once again. Made a couple modifications, and I'm going to demonstrate a new version of a familiar song that everyone loves that's been kind of chopped and screwed. I took out all the other amplifiers and put in a huge JL amp. As you can see, it's still hooked up and voltage is at 13.81. When I disconnect this and I run SPL, if I do it, voltage is well over 14. The batteries you see below are PowerMaster 3100Ds. There are 3 batteries. 2 are PowerMaster, 1's a great big factory. The 2 SoundStream Tarantulas are 6500 watts RMS at 16 volts, 5300 at 14 volts, which is my application. So I've got 10,600 watts. Then the JL obviously is running all of the highs in the car, which there's almost between 15 and 20 speakers on the highs. I'll give you a run over here of the box and everything again, kind of all in one shot. It is all custom airbrushed with a World War II nose art design. And of course you've got the 4 Orion HCCA 15s, which are just mammoth monsters. There's my, well, there used to be a tail light in here, but it broke out somehow. I couldn't imagine why. More design on the inside of the box. You find the mechanicals, gears, the pods that you would find inside of an airplane as well. And on the driver's side, you get a pinup girl riding a carpet bomb as a traditional art piece. You've got the bullet holes, rivets coming down the sides. So this is completely designed as a World War II nose art. In the bottom here, on both sides, we have 2 PA speakers and super tweeters in the middle. These are 150, yeah, these are the 150 RMS, and they are on both sides. We got the Alpine Type R component set up front, the Kenwoods in the back. So now what we're gonna do is make some noise. I gotta close the trunk. Alright, let's make some ruckus. This has been chopped down to around 32 hertz. Yeah, that's the new fucked up It's actually, it's fucking insane. And I do drive in the car with that all on, and it is very difficult, but I really enjoy it, and people will freak out when I turn it on next to their cars. So, thanks for checking out the videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you live in Indy and you need anything, come see Sinister Auto Sports. They'll take care of everything, or you can ask me and I can ask them, and we can get you all taken care of.